16th of January 24 and we're southbound on Maryhill Road. How many things can you spot in the mile and a quarter?
At the end of the video there's a stunning view of Stirling, so please keep watching.
Hey Dad, I've got it wrong again.
Turning right at no right turn. Parked on double yellow lines. Parked on Zig Zags. Parked on a bus stop in an active bus lane. Parked on the pavement. The 5-second green light. Stops in a cycle box. Parked on a junction and jumping off a tail lift. The overloaded transit parked facing the wrong way, and the others to the traffic lights are on double yellow lines with no stopping cones. Another parked on the pavement. Whoops, missed the middle of the road when painting the white line. Crossed on the red man. Cycling on the pavement. Crossed on the red man. Riding an e-bike on the pavement. Does he look 14? Crossed on the red light. Just when you thought there couldn't be anything else. We need help to understand what a head-only except buses means.
And again, we hope you like this video, and there's a button for it, so like and subscribe. See you soon.